YouTube? It's your boy D Sutuff. I'm back at our mechanics. I'm about to go ahead and throw these NGK V-Power spark plugs in this mug. You know, she need a little tune up, you know. And so far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these boys in here. Give her one good crank, make sure she start. And I'm working on the heater core right now. So you see all the stuff all over the place. I'm working on the heater core. Gotta get that heater core done. And after I'm done with that, she rolling. And I can go buy my tax and insurance, you feel me? But I'm gonna knock these brand new spark plugs up in this mug. Then she need an oil change. And she gonna be good. So I'm gonna get back when I get done with this side. Before I go, the way you're supposed to do this, you take one out, you put the next one in. Don't never take all of these off the wires, or you're gonna get it mixed up. Trust me. It don't matter if who you are, you're gonna get it mixed up. You do one by one. You take one out, spark plug out, you put the boot back in there. Carry on, carry on, carry on. I'm doing the easy side first. This side is gonna get a little more hard. It's not hard, but it's harder to reach to, you feel me? And especially this back one right here. It's gonna be a little bit hard. Then this should be one right there. Yup, this one right up under there. I don't know how I'm gonna get to that one. Yup, this one right there. I might have to take this off to get to that. All right, be back when I got this side finished. And this is a bad spark plug. That is terrible, bro. That is terrible. How long these mugs been in this car, boy? I don't know. But look, here's the bright side. We're replacing it with a new spark plug. Out with the old, baby, and with the new. Yes, indeed. That's a big gap, though. I ain't gonna lie. That boy got a big gap on it compared to this. That should be good, though. Let's get it in. Let's put this mug in. What's up, YouTube? I'm back to the other side. So what I'm gonna do is take this off, intake, coater intake, take this mug off, so I get some more room. You feel me? Then when I get some more room, it's on the pipe. You feel me? So I'll be right back with you when I got that done. I'm gonna change the rest of these spark plugs. Other side good, sounded good. I started up, and I'm gonna change the other side. All right, YouTube, I'm back. You know it's another day. It's about to rain, so I'm gonna hurry up and try to knock all these out. And I'm gonna do a startup tomorrow if it don't rain too bad. But if I can get them all out. But I had to move this right here, so I can get to these last three. And then I'll be back when I got all the last three done. You feel me? Let's get to work before it rains. Alrighty, YouTube. Alrighty, everything intact. All spark plugs are in. I was gonna do like a test start and go over the spark plugs, you know. So I make sure all the boots are put down all the way and everything, or whatever. Man, it is cold out here, my guy. Very cold. That was a quick start up right there. Man, boy. It ain't never sound this good. They all feel like they firing. Up too, y'all. Yeah. That boy started up You feel me? Shit been starting in a while. She sound good. She sound pretty good. Oh yeah, she's right. She is right. She is right, my guy. Let's try to start it up again, see what it do. Wait till that theft mode go off. Right up. Woo-hoo! Woo! She sound way better, boys. That boy on a rolling jump. Oh, snap. Check my coolant. Other than that, we good, boys. She sound good. So, might just get a coolant flush. And next video coming up is about to be about this heater core, so I can change this heater core in here. Should put on the street, put some air in the tire, so I won't, Alright, tube, that's it for that part. Sorry, I'm clicking everything now again. Now I just gotta change the heater core. That video coming up soon too. Peace.